Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys the third lie they are telling you about Restream. You can always stream and go to bed. You just start your streaming and you go off and do other things you want to do. You don't have to worry till whenever you decide to end. It's true, yes, but there is a but to it. You can stream and go, but you cannot go and remain there. You have to continue checking your streaming, how it's going, because you might experience an unstable network connection and your stream will end and you will not even be aware. And you might be there doing something or thinking that the streaming is still ongoing, not knowing that the streaming already ended. So you have to keep checking that you're streaming, even if you have other things you're doing. So yes, you can multitask as you're streaming on your device. You can be cooking, you can be washing plates, you can be maybe doing any other thing. But please keep an eye on your Restream. Be checking your Restream if possible every 30 minutes, if you can. Because certain times it happened to me several times, of course, when I was streaming and I had other things I was doing and I was relaxed, feeling that my network connection was very strong. Only for me to come back and see that the streaming ended 30 minutes ago, or like how, when, where. And it pained me because that video, I saw the views coming in and it had the potential of helping me get my tithes faster, but it ended along the line because of unstable network connection. And aside that, also have to be checking to know if YouTube is sending you a message, because sometimes something could go wrong with your stream, because once your stream is already like a live stream, and if there's something off or wrong with your live stream, YouTube will send you an email automatically. So you have to check in your email to know if they're telling you to take down your live stream. If you're not there to end the streaming because you're not close, and 1 hour later they send you another email, they will automatically take that streaming down on their own parts, and it will attract a copyright strike. The first thing they'll do is to give you a warning before the strike. So if you're able to be there to end the streaming, you won't get the strike. But if they should email you the second time, that's them taking action. The first email is a warning. The second email is the action they are taking, which is not nice and it will even affect your monetization process. So make sure that you keep an eye on your Restream. You can be multitasking, but please be there to monitor your live streams. Don't leave your live stream and start going to the market or abandon it for something else and you're not there for 2, 3, 4 hours to check on it. Don't mind people telling you can do it and go and sleep. As you're sleeping at night, please open your eye, use one eye and be checking that live stream, how it's going. It will help you. Okay? So please, if you're here to use Restream, make sure you pay attention to the things I just mentioned. Just have it at the back of your mind to avoid they said. If you're already using Restream, please also have it at the back of you so you don't go and make these mistakes later on. I'm still going to show you two guys in my other videos the pros and cons of using Restream. These things are things that some of these creators still not even tell you, but I'm here to share it with you guys. This is not to discourage you, but to encourage you to get your channel monetized. Yes, even with using Restream, but also apply with caution. I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you're not subscribed yet, sweethearts, do subscribe to this channel, turn on the notifications so you don't miss out a single thing. See you guys when I see you. Bye.